Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn your Pinterest ID from professional to personal account. So without any delay, let's start the video. First, let's go to your Pinterest app. Now all you have to do is click the profile icon on bottom right, click here. You can see my profile is a professional profile. You can see the option creator hub. And now you have to click those three dots on top right, click here and go to settings, and you have to go account management here. You can see the option convert to personal account, click here and click convert to personal. And now your profile is converted to a personal profile. You cannot see the option of professional ID. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next video.